Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Lexar Professional 3-in-1 Multi Card Reader. On the front of the box, we have an image of the card reader device itself, some Lexar Professional branding on the top. Over here, we can see that it is USB Type-C compatible and it also supports SD cards, microSD cards and CompactFlash or CF Express cards. Over here we can see that it is a multi 3-in-1 card reader and has a USB speed of 3.1. On the left hand side and on the right hand side we simply have some Lexar Professional branding. There is nothing on the top. On the bottom we have some recycling and other symbols like that. On the back we have an illustration which again just shows you the different cards that are compatible with this device. Over here we have a sticker on which there is some information regarding the manufacturing and importing, and it also has the details for the customer care. On the bottom here we have the package contents, but we will not be going through that since we will be unboxing the device anyways. Here we have the system requirements which include macOS 10.8 and above. It is compatible with the Windows version 10, 8, 7, Vista and XP. And it is compatible with USB 2.0 devices and above. Over here we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get the card reader device and we get the connector cable. The connector cable has a USB type A interface on one end and a USB-C interface on the other. The cable is approximately 20 inches long. Coming to the card reader device, first impressions are that it is quite hefty for its size. It has a black color theme going for it, a matte black kind of color theme. Up top we have the Lexar branding and the entire top surface has a golf ball like pattern on it. We also have the LED light that would light up when a card is inserted while the device is connected to a PC or a laptop. On the left hand side we have the slots for the SD card and microSD card. On the right hand side we have the CF card slot, and up top we have the USB-C connector slot that helps the device connect to PCs and laptops. On the bottom we have an anti-skid pad which is of a soft material, so it won't allow the device to slide around on a smooth surface. So let's see this device in action now. For the purposes of this video, we will be connecting this card reader to a laptop. The LED light switches on when the device is connected, basically signifying that the card reader is connected to the laptop. We also have a plethora of cards which we can connect to this card reader. So let's get to that now. CF card on the right, microSD card in its slot on the left, and SD card in its slot on the left as well. So we can use this device to read these three cards simultaneously on our laptop now. This was the unboxing of the Lexar Professional 3-in-1 Multi Card Reader. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.